Metta Bhavana Meditation. Number 1. Introduction. Please take a few moments to make yourself comfortable. The ancient Buddhist texts describe loving kindness, or metta, as a spiritual love, which finds its most natural example in the love of a mother for her child. The Buddha further described metta as a universal love, a pure fount of safety, welfare, and spiritual health for everyone, including yourself, remembering that a parent must first guard their own health so they can best protect their child. The word that the Buddha chose for this teaching, metta, derives from the Pali word mitta, which means a true friend in need. The translated texts quote the Buddha instructing his monks, holy ones, when the deliverance of loving kindness is maintained in being made much of, used as your vehicle, used as your foundation, established, consolidated, and properly managed, then 11 blessings can be expected. What are these 11? You sleep in comfort. 2. You awaken in comfort. 3. You dream no evil dreams. 4. You are quite dear to other human beings. 5. You are quite dear to non-human beings. 6. The gods guard you. 7. No fire or poison or weapon can harm you. 8. Your mind can be quickly concentrated. 9. The expression on your face will be serene. 10. You will die without falling into confusion. And 11. Even if you fail to penetrate any further, you will pass on to the world of high divinity, to the Brahma world. To begin your practice of metta, first think of something or someone for whom you care deeply, in a platonic way. It may be a parent, a friend, a pet, a child, even yourself. Center your mind on feelings of loving kindness for that which you are contemplating. Prepare to project metta towards your object each time I pause. First, send waves of your metta, your loving kindness intentions, to everyone around you. to everyone in your neighborhood. In your village, town or city. On your continent. And then, throughout the entire world. Envision waves of loving kindness emanating from your heart to all beings, everywhere. Stay within your reach as you bathe the object of your intentions with the blessings of your loving kindness. If you feel comfortable doing so, envision yourself facing east. A seated, elongated, benevolent being, towering over the world and its creatures. Now, you can expand the range of your loving kindness until you are able to visualize the entire planet Earth, spinning within the vast, mysterious cosmos. While this concludes Metta Bhavana, meditation number 1, you can, if you like, continue expanding the sense of your loving kindness, filling the endless vastness of the universe with your metta,